The overall goal of this procedure is to fabricate highly magnetically responsive lanthanide ion chelating polymolecular assemblies and to easily monitor the magnetic response with birefringence measurements.
Birefringence measurements can help answer key questions in the design of magnetically responsive polymolecular assemblies, such as bicells, by providing an alternative and comparatively easy means of monitoring alignment.
The main advantage of these polymolecular assemblies is their ability to deliver an unrivaled and tunable magnetic response at field strengths as low as 1 or 2 Tesla by associating with numerous paramagnetic lanthanide ions.
Although monitoring of the birefringence signal provides important information for the bicellular design, it can actually also apply to the study of other magnetically responsive systems such as nanocrystalline cellulose or amyloid fibers doped with iron oxide nanoparticles.
To begin the procedure, use a 2.5 milliliter glass syringe and 3 milliliter snap cap vials to measure the needed quantities of DMPC, DMPE-DTPA, cholesterol, and thulium-3 chloride stock solutions. Combine the stock solutions in a 25 milliliter round bottom flask. Rinse each vial into the flask with 2.5 milliliters of the solvent used in the corresponding stock solution. Clamp the flask on a rotary evaporator. Remove salt.